I have for you guys the full spoilers. So Ulta has a new sample kit available, and it's called the Curls and Wave Routine Kit with 8 essentials to hydrate your curls if you're a curly girl like me. Now this kit does cost $15, and what you're gonna get is Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC cream that is a 0.85 ounce. You're going to get the Aquage Beyond Shine, that's a 2 ounce. You're going to get the Diva Curl Super Cream Rich Coconut Infused Definer, that's 1.5 ounces. You'll get the Melly Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, that's 2 ounces. The Quaded Advanced Climate Control Feather Light Styling Cream, 2 ounces. TGIN Miracle Repair X Protective Leave-In Conditioner, 3.4 ounces. TIGI Bed Head After Party Super Smoothing Cream, 1.69 ounces. And the Verb Ghost Oil, I've tried that, love it, and that is 0.57 ounces. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.